How to export and download all Snapchat memories to computer. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to export and download all your Snapchat memories to your computer step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside your profile section, then you simply have to tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings, then you simply have to scroll down and there under app and privacy, there you simply have to tap on my privacy and data. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on My Data option. And after that, you may be asked to log in to your Snapchat account again for security reason. So do that. And after logging in, you can simply scroll down to the bottom of the page. And there you'll see. But before submitting your request, you can simply select which data to include. So here you can simply include or enable the data which you want to export, and after that you can simply tap on next. And after that, Snapchat will show you the date range from where you want to download the memories from. So here you can simply select the time, and after that you can simply tap on submit, and Snapchat will prepare your data, which may take a few minutes to several hours depending on your account size. And once your data is ready, Snapchat will send a download link to your registered email address. So there you can simply open email on your computer and click the download link, and the file will be downloaded as a zip file. And with that, you can just right click on the downloaded zip file and select extract and open the extracted folder, and there you can look for the memories folder, and there you'll find all your saved photos and videos from Snapchat. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.